Hi, how are you? Today we're cooking salmon, and two mushrooms, two beautiful mushrooms, big ones. They got smaller. When you cook stuff, it shrinks. So look, we're gonna flip the salmon. Wow, we're gonna cook it very nicely. See, it's cooked thoroughly. It was cut, you see? Wow, boom. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, delicious stuff. Delicious stuff. Oh, wow. You see, that's why we put it on skin at first. See this skin? See a little bit burnt here? This is not a problem. You know why? Because this is skin. Skin, always. See, like here burnt, but look at inside. Inside, pure meat. You see? Pure meat. Pure meat inside. But outside, you see, it's burnt because this is skin. And we always cook on low temperature. Now we're gonna flip this mushroom. Oh, mushroom looking amazing. And this mushroom also looking amazing. Good stuff. Good stuff. We hope you enjoy our videos. So now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit coconut water. I'm not gonna add any greasy oils. I'm not gonna add any greasy oils. I'm gonna add coconut water, organic, and I'm gonna put on the mushrooms too. Oh, see, this is how we cook. This is how we cook, and I think it works out for the best. It works out for the best. It works out for the best. Snapping turtles. Like this, see? Like that. Like that. And we added a few spices. You have to add spices so that you have delicious food. And that's it. Thank you for watching our video. And please check out other videos I have. You know, we try the best for you. For you, this is just, we're cooking, we're eating, and we just want to show how we're cooking, and just, we hope everybody eats healthy. Nice. Salmon and two mushrooms. And we're going to add green beans to this. And wow, delicious. And healthy diet. Healthy diet. These mushrooms are big like steak. And salmon looking very nice, I think. Almost red. Almost red. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless you and your family. We wish you the best. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We're going to cover George Foreman grill. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Oh, cat ready to eat. See? This is Bandit, a.k.a. Juice Man. And Chuck. Oh, Chuck, this is the guard of the family. This is the guard. He guarding, always on the watch. Always patrol. Thank you so much. God bless.